Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're going to be focusing on how to remove the bonnet grille. This is for the Audi A6, S6 or RS6. This is the C5, both the saloon and the Avant. So let's go. So for the bonnet grille, what you want to do is open up the bonnet and get up underneath the grille. And then if you look on the underside here, across the top edge, you've got these series of tabs all the way along the front there that are obviously holding that top edge in situ. And then the other thing you want to take notice of is in the front bottom corners we actually have, as you can see just here, these little Allen key, I think they are, yeah, little Allen key screws that are holding the bottom edge in. So what we want to do is focus on the screws first, and that allow us to give access then to release those top tabs. So we attack the bottom, lean it out, and then the top tabs should just slide out of place. So let's give it a try. So these little screws are a size 4 hex. So you just want to get each of these removed in series. Like so. So like I said, that's a size 4 on a hex or an Allen key. So get that one removed and do the same for the other 3. That's 2 in this corner, 2 on the other side. Get all 4 removed, and I'll show you the final stage of actually removing it. So I've removed the 2 screws on either corner. I'm just going to bring the bonnet down a little bit to give you a bit of a better angle. So now we've released the bottom will literally lift forward like so. So just lift that forward. Obviously we've got those tabs on the back, so we don't want to pull it too far forward, so we would risk damaging those, and then just slide the whole thing down like so. So that is your bonnet grille completely good and removed from the car.